Hey guys, so today I am with my cousins, Ninang Kakay and Ate Joros, and my mother over here. And today we'll be playing a game called Guess the Gen Z Word. So as you, hindi naman halata, but they're actually millennials. Millennial din ba si Mommy?
Gen X. Gen X.
Oh, Gen X si Mommy. So ayun, it's gonna be fun kasi we'll try to see if they know what these words mean. So,
Yeah, talo
so
ko dyan.
paano yun? We'll have, each of you guys will guess one word each.
Okay, one word lang.
Ay, hindi. One word na lang. Tapos kayong lahat na lang mag-ano. You'll give a guess. Okay. So the first word I have is lit. What does it mean when I say this place is lit?
Cool.
Cool.
Lit.
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 L-I-T.
Pag sinabi,
Okay. Sino ba?
chill, chill.
Chill.
Awesome.
Awesome. Okay. Not bad. I think you guys got, yeah, it actually means fire. Parang fire is an expression na it's cool, it's nice, ganon. Awesome. Yeah.
Sa definition, di naman. Hindi
Okay.
lang natin nakuha ng diretso.
Oo, but close enough. Okay. Second word we have is low-key. Yes. Pakinalagay mo. Thank you. Low-key.
Lang, yung ano, yung parang, tawag ito yung hindi mayabang, ganun, low-key lang.
Okay.
Low profile.
Low profile. Yes! You guys are actually correct. It means on the low. So people can also use it as an expression na parang low-key, I don't like this place. So parang hindi mo masyadong pinapahalata na that's how you feel. Okay. Third word would be facts.
Ha?
Facts. So kumbaga, someone said something and then yung reply mo, facts.
Totoo, true, parang ganun.
I agree.
Parang true.
Parang binibigay ko na din pala yung answer, no? It's a context clues na. Okay. I'll just say the words na lang pala. But
Kasi
good
doon
job.
sinayin mo eh.
Oo. But not bad. See, it's not like yung mga Jan Alpha words. Yun hindi ko talaga maintindihan. Yung mga skibidi toilet, do you know what that means? Neither do I. Okay, so fourth word we have vibe. It's a vibe.
Vibe. Yung ambience niya, parang vibe.
Ganyan. Agree. O sige, ambience.
I guess, yeah, pwede rin naman. But then actually, you guys can use the word vibe for anything. Like, this coffee is a vibe. It means like, you like it. You really like it. Oh,
Parang
or-
diba pagka naging close kayo, uy, vibes tayo
Yeah, ganon. See? Hindi ganun ka-weird yung mga words namin. Okay. Next word is bruh.
Parang
Pre. Bro.
Parang hindi.
Bro.
Yeah. Parang yeah, bro. Or parang da.
Ano ba yun?
Parang expression siya na.
Talaga ba?
What's your final answer?
Parang bro. Ano yun? BR. Parang nakita ko yung word na yung BR.
Let's go with the da.
Da.
Actually, you both are correct. It can be used as an expression or when you refer to someone like, hey bro. Ganon. Or yung kasabi ni Mommy na, bro. Kasi my brother and I use that a lot. We're like, bro.
Bro.
You're attentive. Good job, Mom.
Ay, nakakaano tayo.
Oo, so far getting everything right. Next word we have is bet. B-E-T.
I like
Ay,
it.
oh,
Bet.
oh.
Di ba Becky speak yan? Oo nga.
Bet ko yun. Oh, like ko siya, bet ko siya. Ganun.
Like. Ganun, like.
And correct again. Good job. You guys are so galing. Okay, next word. Sana naman. Sus. S-U-S.
Sus. Expression pa rin yun. Ba? Sus. O social. Or sus.
Sus Mariosep.
Joseph yan.
Yan yung expression namin eh. Diba? Diba? Parang
I think I know that. Suspicious.
Suspicious.
Talaga ba?
short for suspicious.
Final answer.
Sus Mario.
Sus Mariosep.
Sus Marios.
Sus Mariosep.
No, suspicious.
Suspicious. Correct, Ate Jaros. Woo! I guess you guys are really proving that you aren't your age.
Yes. Kaya lang.
Okay. Next word we have is cap. C-A-P. Feeling ko medyo mahirapan kayo.
Finish. Diba? Ano yun?
Kunyari, I'd be like, that's cap.
Ano na yun?
Cap. Cap. C-A-P.
Ah, that's my cup. Parang yan yung ano ko, yan yung style ko. Parang that's my cup. Or parang cup of tea. Parang gano'n.
Kayo.
I don't know. I have no idea.
Oo, ako din, hindi ko din alam.
Ooh, finally! So, serious na ba kayo? Okay, so cap, when someone says that's cap, it means like, that's a lie. Like,
that's a lie?
that's a lie. Like, kunyari, someone say, you're capping, it means you're lying. Parang, ganon. Yes! Meron din silang namali. Congratulations. Okay.
Pero yung bounce.
Alam niyo yun. Let's bounce.
Parang let's go, gano'n.
Ang galing.
Si Jake, ang narinig ko yun, let's bounce.
Yeah. Fun fact, guys. My dad uses the word bounce because he hears that from us. Nagulat din kami one day. Anyway, okay, next word we have is slay. Ito, feeling ko madali naman.
Oo, yung parang slay. Get it, girl.
Oh, ang galing.
You did it.
But what does it really mean?
Parang halimbawa, yung may ginawa ka na something na, slay. Parang gano'n. Yung, parang nagawa mo, na-achieve mo ba?
Okay. Yes. You guys are correct. Very good. So far, isa pa lang mali nila. Galing. Ito.
Cap lang, si Cap.
Scap. Ito. Mid. Mid. M-I-D. That's mid.
Mid. Mid. So? Medyo. Mid. Middle eh.
Little bit, ganun eh.
Little bit.
And you guys are correct once again. Mid is when you don't like something, but you also don't hate it. So it's just meh.
Mid lang.
Eto, last and final word. Mood.
Ha?
Mood. M-O-O-D. What happens?
Mood.
What does it mean when someone says mood?
Wala sa mood. Wala no. Oo naman yung mood mong yan. Di ba?
Wala sa mood. Not my
Yeah,
type.
what you
ganun.
feel,
What you
ganun.
feel, ganun.
Serious na?
Dictionary yung binigay. Dictionary no?
So, the word mood literally means that, but in Gen Z terms, it means I feel you. So, kumbaga, sasabihin mo, grabe, ang hirap nung exam today. Re-replyin mo, mood. Ganon. So,
Sa prison break kasi I feel you, di ba? So, dito mood.
yes, very correct. So, I actually gave 11 words, and out of the 11 words, they got 2 wrong, which is not bad, guys. So, congratulations. Woo! And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for participating, and it's time for dessert.
Food review.
Food review na. Bye. Thank you.